I, Neha Tripathi, Assistant Professor, Department of Management, presenting the topic of performance appraisal. Performance appraisal is the most important topic of human resource management. If we code this particular topic with the perfect definition, we can say by Filippo, performance appraisal is defined as systematic, periodic, and so far as humanly possible an important rating of employees' excellence in matters pertaining to his present job and his potential for the better job. Definitely, if we're going to appraise and acknowledge the work of the employee performance will going to increase because they get more motivation and encouragement, and with this their enthusiasm level get increased. If we code this particular topic with the example, तो अगर हम किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अगर देखते हैं कि there are two employees, suppose Mr. X and Mr. Y of any XYZ particular company limited, and Mr. X is working day and night in the organization, and every day he brings some new ideas and innovative techniques and accomplishing the goal of the organization. And in the other way there is Mr. Y who work in the organization but at the limited time. Suppose if their working hour is 10 to 8 o'clock, so he only work for 10 to 8 o'clock, and after that he go back to his home, and after that he doesn't give any time for the official work. But Mr. X every day from starting of the morning till the end of the day, he used to give his entire day in the working of the organization and achieving n number of success in his every project. What will happen when the time come, annual time come, where performance is being measured, that which employee had achieved the success in this annual year, and then annual report is being maintained of the employee. And yes, annual general meeting is also being conducted in the organization, where every employee is being given the opportunity to present their work in front of our official authority. What happened? Employee present his entire work what he has done whole year. So Mr. X has presented that his work whole year what he has performed, and Mr. Y has also done the same. But organization after the presentation maintain the record that how much profit has been earned annually by both the parties, and he estimate with the tools and techniques and methods of measuring the performance level of the organization. And then what will happen? When the measurement is done, then we get a clear result that which employee has scored first and which employee has scored second, and accordingly the reward system is being going to formulate. The reward can be given in the monetary form, in appraisal form, or any other thing. Now we go to next slide. Performance appraisal thus is a systematic and objective way of judging the relative worth of ability of employee in performing his task. Performance appraisal help to identify those who are performing their assignment task well and those who are not. The reason of such performance is called as performance appraisal. Definitely, we are going to systematically plan this, how to measure and how to analyze the performance of the employee, and the main objective way is to judging the relative worth of the ability of the employee, and we can only measure with the tools and techniques which is being developed by the many famous theory developed by the scientist of the HR, who has developed these tools and techniques where we can easily measure the employee's performance. For example, if we code again with any kind of an example like Mr. X and Y I told you, Mr. X and Y performance is being, suppose we use the tool like rating method. In a rating method, we use to make a certain criteria or certain scale, and that scale we used to see that which employee is meeting all that scale perfectly, and accordingly the reward system is being going to maintain of each and every employee who is existing in the organization. If we say in other word that human resource management is moreover like a hard HR also and soft HR also, where he used to see how the employee is working in the organization. They used to maintain the staff member of the organization. They used to allocate that how many workforce is being required in the organization, and after all that they used to see what external operation needed to be performed by the employee. So nowadays with the current change or scenario, the things has been changed very drastically. Now the HR is become the multitasking. They perform hard HR also and soft HR. Hard HR they used to see external environment of the organization also, and soft HR internal aspect of the company. Now we go to next slide. As in this slide we can see that outstanding, good, fair and unsatisfactory, these are the scale we maintain, and accordingly after that we see and judge all the scale that whether that person has presented his topic better or not, and what is his body language while presenting the topic, or how he had worked whole year, and how he was punctual during his working hour or not. And when we see that all the level he crossed and meet the whatever we required, that benchmark he create, accordingly we going to rate him that whether the employee is unsatisfactory, not perform so well, or whether the employee is fair, or whether the employee was very good, or whether employee is outstanding. Means ultimately excellent employee who done everything. He was punctual during his job. He used to come at 10 o'clock and he just start his work, and whatever he undertake that work he used to accomplish on time, means punctuality, and working on time. These all scale is needed, very much needed, to judge the employee that how much employee is giving his full caliber, full competency, and how is utilizing his knowledge and learning in his particular work or project or venture, we can say. Components of performance appraisal: define expectations, measure and evaluate, provide feedback, record performance. Definitely, if we define expectation, means definitely every organization hire the employee, they have their certain level of expectation that yes, this employee will going to perform the level or benchmark which I have set or which the organization set in his mind, and accordingly the hiring and selection process take place, and the organization always search those employee who is ready to perform anytime whenever the organization need. Measure and evaluate: definitely whatever the performance employee is going to perform on behalf of the organization or as individual, the organization will going to maintain and measure that performance and properly analyze that how he done the work, how much he's put his all effort during this work, etc. Provide feedback: definitely whatever the providing feedback means, like if the employee has done any work and whatever the performance he done annually, like 1 year how much he has performed, how much he put his all hard work into success of the organization, and accordingly organization will develop a feedback and feedback will be done not by only the management but also the department or also the regional offices are there, the head is sitting there. Accordingly that feedback is generated of each and every employee, and accordingly the organization will going to prepare his record and maintain that record for future reference. So recording of performance is very necessary to develop the feedback of the employee. Performance is not only about just giving the time to the organization, but also it is very important to know it is that performance appraisal is an organized process of having following things like deciding the performance standard, comparing actual performance of employee with performance standard, providing feedback so that employee can improve and remove all the errors what he has performed in his past and enhance his or her performance due course of time. And for this only the evaluating process, periodic process, futuristic process, identify employees potential process, develop employees process, formal and informal process, these process has been undertaken. Process is very important to undertake a systematic study of any particular topic. If we go to research methodology, before conducting any research on particular thing or a substance or a topic, we need to understand that the thing should be taken in a systematic way. So definitely the process word means what? To identify the problem, to find the alternative solution, then implement that any solution that you have make out, and after that you generate a feedback and then come to conclusion, and last record that survey and conclusion for your past for your future reference. As I talk that performance appraisal have tools. Definitely earlier there was a traditional method, now it is a modern method. Traditional method is more calculative, we can say that, ranking method, numbers or grades, paired comparison means comparing two parties, grading system, forced distribution method, forced choice method, checklist method, critical incident method, graphic scale method, essay method, field review method, confidential report, etc. Modern method is management by objective. Definitely we need to know that every individual work we undertake, it should be conducted with certain objective and certain time limit. Behavioral anchoring rating system or scale, assessment center, 360-degree appraisal, cost accounting method. So with these of the methods and tools, there are so many methods of tools. We can use traditional method also and modern method also, and with this modern method we come to know that how in the organization any particular employee is being performing smoothly and with the whole energy and enthusiasm. Thank you so much.